How do you say please in French? This is something that throws off a lot of people, okay? Please is s'il vous plaît or s'il te plaît. It depends who you're talking to. If it's a formal way, like you enter a store or you're with someone on the phone, then it's vous. That is the formal subject pronoun, right? Then you use tu or te if it's informal. For all the rest, now you're talking to someone you know, to a colleague, to a friend, to kids, to whatever. Informal, non-formal, it's tu, te, right? So basically you say s'il vous plaît or s'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. How do you say weekly? Something weekly. Okay? Something that happens every week. You say hebdomadaire. So stay tuned because a lot going on. First of all, the H. Why is there an H? That is one of French language particular signs of overcomplicating things. Because the letter H at the beginning of any word in French is silent. You never pronounce it. You don't say hebdomadaire. No, you say hebdomadaire. Dare. The two letters A and I make the sound E. Not E, E. So hebdomadaire. 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 How do you say evening? Evening. You say la soirée. It's feminine, so we use la. That's the demonstrative pronoun la. La soirée. And not la soirée. 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 Nope. It's la soie. Soie. So. When you see the two letters O and I combined together, it makes the sound wa in any word. So, la, soie, re. You know, in French, the guttural R sounds like you're throwing up, like something is stuck and you're trying to spit it out. So it goes like soirée. Not soirée, soirée. The accent mark goes up, so it's e. Soirée. La soirée, la soirée, la soirée. How do you say daytime and nighttime? You say le jour, la nuit. Alors, le jour, not jour, not jour, jour. There's a distinction in French between the sound U and OU. U, OU. Okay? So, le jour, jour, the R at the end is very brief, okay, but you do pronounce it. And it does sound like you're throwing up. So, jour, jour, jour. And then, la nuit, it's feminine. Le jour is masculine, la nuit is feminine. And not la nuit, no. And not la nuit. The final T is silent. So, la nuit, la nuit. Le jour, la nuit. Le jour, la nuit. Here are two ways to say thank you. Thank you. So we have the classic one, everybody knows, merci. Merci. And it's important because a lot of people say merci or mercy. Mercy, it's a different thing. Okay, like please have mercy. That's a different word. It's spelled differently. So we say merci. 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 The accent is on the first part. Merci. 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 The other one is more formal, and it's like you use the subject pronoun vous, and it goes like je vous remercie. Je vous remercie. Like, it's like I renew my thank you again. I thank you again. Like, you know, I thank you again. Je vous remercie. Je vous remercie. Merci, je vous remercie.